So this is what you are working on. Snowflake, Snowsite, user interface. Okay. So Praveen Kumar is there. Okay, it's a mixed case. Okay. So I want to convert it into capital case. How to do by using what concept? How to convert everything into capital case by using upper function. Okay. How to make everything into small case by using lower function. Lower function. I want to make every, okay, see, I want to make capital P, capital K, capital K, capital B. Remaining, I want to make it to small case. How to make by using what concept by using?
Init cap.
Init cap. Okay, so init cap. Okay. How to find the length by using which function by using length. Okay. Okay. So already discussed, just one more time, I am trying to take. Okay, so far, good. Okay. Now wherever E is there, I want to make it to, so wherever A is there, I want to make it to X. How to make it by using what concept? By using
Replace.
replace. Replace. Okay, see now spaces are there. So before and after. How to remove spaces?
Trim.
So by using what? So by using, so okay, let me convert everything to uppercase. So wherever, what is the requirement? So wherever E is there, make it to X. Now, okay, see, make it to X. Let me close it. So upper function, we are trying to convert upper. Okay. Now what happened? Now I want to cut. Okay, now wherever spaces are, see spaces are there before and after. How to remove the spaces by using what concept?
Trim.
So trim function. So trim will remove before and after. It will try to remove the spaces. Now I want to give proper heading. How to give proper heading by using what concept?
Column alias.
So by using column alias we can add. Suppose see I am getting small thing. So see, but it is converted into capital case. Now how to make it to same case by using what concept?
Double quote.
You should put inside a double quotation. We want to make it working. Okay, if I put, suppose see I want to get spaces also, make use of double quotes. So see when I put a double quote, same thing will be getting time. How to get today's date? So I want to get today's date. How to get today's date by using what concept?
Current date.
And select the current
Current
date.
date.
Okay, same thing. How to get time? Current time. Okay. Now see, this is a separate column, separate column. Now I want to club in a single column. How to club by using what concept? By using concatenator or pipe symbol. Okay, so if I want to get the spaces, how to get the spaces? So with the single
Empty
quote.
string.
Why I need to put single quote? Because it's a string. So string compulsory need put in a single quote. How to put proper heading? By using column alias. So remember, whatever discussed now, we should make it working. So tell me, this is, so I want to get a date and a time. How to get date and time by using current timestamp. Current timestamp. So see, this is in which format? Anyone is in YY,
US.
MM, DD, hours, minutes, seconds. This is milliseconds, and this is time zone. So this is not good looking. Now I want, so this is in which, this is what, this is a date format, but I want to get my own format. How to get your own format by using what concept?
Okay.
Conversion function will come into picture. How to get the conversion function? That is using to-char concept. So to-char, we are converting our date into character. So now I want y. Now what's the exact output we'll get? Now what's the exact output?
2025.
Year only.
Tell me. You'll get 2025. Okay, same thing. If I want to get month, we should put Same thing if I want to get a date, how to get? So daily. Suppose see, I want to get this format. So 15/09/2025. How to get 15/09/2025? How to get? Anyone? So I want to get today's date in how to get. So DD space MM
D
space
space MM space
Y. Okay. Now tell me now I want to get 2124. What is 2124? That is hours and minutes. Okay, see hours and minutes. Okay. So if I want to get 24-hour format, how to get 24-hour? Put 20. Okay. If I want to get 12-hour format, so put 12. That's it. Okay. If I want to get AM or PM, how to get? So put AM or PM. We can able to get it. That's just the same function. So this is the function. Same thing. Now what happened? So select the current timestamp. So what is the current timestamp? Current time is what? So 2025, the same thing. So now requirement is that what? Now I want to add 3 minutes or I want to add 1 minute. Suppose if we generate any OTP, what happened? OTP will value for how many seconds? Okay. OTP value for how many seconds? And OTP is like 1 minute. Assume like 1 minute. Okay. So see requirement is that what? 1 second. Hold on. Okay. See. So to care, we are converting our day to like meaningful. So DD, so MON, YYY, hours, so minutes, seconds, AM or PM. Okay. So see now what happened. So current time is what? 8:55:49. Now I want to add 1 minute or I want to add 1 hour. I want to add 1 day. How to add by using what concept? Anyone, any idea?
Date add.
So by saying there is a one concept is date add concept is there. So important. So remember whatever discussing will work in real time. So see date add. So see date add. So what I want to add? Okay, seconds. How many seconds I want to add? Tell me. 1 minute, but 60 seconds. To what I want to add? Current timestamp. I'll explain one more time. So control V, control enter. Now let me convert it so that you'll get clarity. Okay. 1 second, hold on. So control V. Now how to put proper heading? So OTP, generate the time. Okay. So OTP expired time. Okay, see the same thing. Now what happens? See 15 September 2025, 8:56:59, 8:57:59. Nothing but we are adding what? 60 seconds to current timestamp. Same thing now I want to add 3 minutes. How to add 3 minutes? Instead of seconds, what I can put? I can put minutes. Now how many minutes I want to add? 3 minutes. Now what's the output? 8:57:09. So this is the functionality. Same thing now I want to add 1 hour. Tell me how to add 1 hour. Anyone? How to add 1 hour?
Instead of minute, we can give hour.
So instead of minute, we can put minute 60, but same thing you can put what? We can put hour also we can put.
Yeah.
What's the number I need to put? I should put 1 hour. So 8:57, 9:57. Same thing now what happens? So this is so far good. Next one is that what? So now instead of minute, okay, suppose I want to add tomorrow. See, 15 September, 16 September. What I can put? I can put hour. How many hours I want to add? 24 hours. Same thing if I want to add a day, how many days I want to add? So 1. Same thing. So 15 September, 16 September. Now same thing. 15 September. Now I want to add what? I want to add October 15. Now what I need to add? Instead of day, I can put month. Okay. Now what's the output we'll get? So 15 September, 15 October. Same thing. I want to add. So 2025, 2026. How to get 2026? You can put year 1. So simple thing. Based on requirement, I can't go for month. I can go for year. Okay, so for suppose My requirement is that what 15 September 2025, 15 September 2024. So previous year I want to go. How to go to previous year? What I should do? What I want to add? Anyone?
-1.
Simply put, -1. Got the point also. See, 15 September. Okay, 15 September 2025, 2024. If I want to future date, so put +1. If I want to get previous date, put -1. To the current timestamp, I am adding 1 -1 and nothing but it will go to previous date. This is the functional date add. The same thing now, what happened? So there are so many functions are there we should work on it. Depends on the use case, we'll work on it. So see, Praveen is there. So this is a string. Now what happened? Now I want to extract P. Okay. I want to extract R. I want to extract AV. I want to extract. Now I want to extract some part of the string. How to extract some part of the string by using what concept? By using substring functionality. Okay, see the same thing. Now, what is requirement? So requirement is that what I want to extract some part of my string. How to extract some part of my string? By using what concept? By using which function? Substring function. So simple thing. So see, sometimes what happen? I want to extract. Let me see if they were when I'm not. Okay. So now we get. So now, so let me help you. We'll say, we'll 1 second, hold on. So Povin. So you should say, tell me what happened. See, capital A, capital A, capital N, capital I. This is what functionality? So remaining small case. How to do?
Init cap.
Init cap. See, A, B, C, D. This is what concept? X, Y, Z. This is what concept?
Order by
Order by ascending or descending?
ascending.
Ascending. So ascending concept. Now see, I'm selecting Gujarat. Now what I should get only? See again, capital A, small letters, nothing but say unit cap. So we are getting this is what concept? There are two tables are there, states tables and district table. This is what concept? Tell me. This is what concept?
Filtering.
So this is what concept? This is filtering concept. So filtering concept and sorting concept and init cap functionality. Got the point? So far good. So let me register. Okay, so now what happened? I am giving my number. Okay, see. So before that, let me extract the same functionality. Now what happened? Praveen is there. Now I want to extract some part of the string. How to extract some part of the string? By using what concept? Tell me by using what concept? Tell me what concept is there? Tell me.
Substring.
So by using substr. So syntax is important. Substring nothing but actual string. Okay, comma. So from which position? Okay, needs to start. Okay, so from which position need to start and how many characters needs to extract. I'll explain one more time. Needs to extract. So this is the syntax. Okay. So before that, Praveen, see numbering start with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is string? Substring syntax. So your string. What is your string? Okay, Praveen is the string. Okay. Now what happened? Now I want to extract RA. R is at which position? From which position we need to start? R is at which position? Tell me. Which position R?
Second position.
Second position. No. So from which position need to start? That is second. Now how many characters we want to extract? These are how many characters? 2 characters. No. See one more time if you're not able to understand. Now I want to get, so see, Praveen Kumar. Okay. Now I want to get ABE. Okay, so now put the numbering. Numbering not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like that. Okay. Now what is syntax for substr? Substr. Okay, see our string. What's our string? So Praveen Kumar is your actual string. Put in a single quote. So from which position to start? Tell me. A is at which position?
Third position.
Okay, see, it is in third position. Okay. How many characters need to extract?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So see 4. Okay. So let me put the same thing in SQL and we can able to make it. Well, see, select. So copy the same thing. So go here, go to where, which way, snow set way. Let me execute. Now what is expected output? So this is the functionality AV. Same thing. Now what happened? Now so let me control D. Now 3, 1. What is 3, 1? Anyone? Okay, see 3, so starting from third position, how many characters I want to extract? 1 characters. What's the output? That is
Yeah.
A. Same thing. So 3, 2. What is 3, 2? So it is A, B. Okay, correct? A, B. Okay, same thing. So same thing, control D. Now I am putting, so 1, 1. What is 1, 1? Starting from first position, I want to extract 1 calories. That is what? P. Same thing, control D. So 2, 1. What is 2, 1?
R.
R will get. Okay, same thing, control D. So simply I put 2. What's the exact output? What's the exact output? Anyone?
A mark will
R.
end out the string.
Okay, I'll explain. Hold on. Let me complete. So see the control V. Now what happens? So see if I put so 2, 1. Nothing but what's the exact output we'll get? R is the output. Okay. So control C and control V. So 2, 2. What's 2, 2? That is RA will get. RA will get. Got the point. So this is so far. Same thing. Now what happened? Simply I put 2. Anyone, any guess exact output?
RAVWNKUMEN.
See what is the output? So see if I put 2, 2 starting from second character extract 2, but we are not mentioning 2, nothing but what? Starting from second character you all the things. Okay, so give you all the things. Okay, got the point. Clear so far is the functionality. So one more time, not able to understand. Suppose if I put 3, 1, nothing but A will get. If I remove nothing but what? Starting from third, it will give all the characters. Okay, so the functionality so far. Same thing, let me go one more time. Now what happened, listen carefully, one more important thing, little bit. Okay. So we'll see the implementation part, we'll get clarity. Okay. So control V, now Praveen, Kumar. So see now I want to get elastic characters. So I want to extract last 4 characters. I want to extract last 2 characters. Tell me what happened, this is not possible. So for this purpose, what? One more concept is the substr. So Praveen. Okay. So 2, 2. What is 2, 2? So see what is 2, 2? Anyone exact output? So from left to right. Left to right. What's the thing? So see we'll get RA. Same thing, control D. Now I am putting -2, 2. See, this is important lesson. Okay, let me copy. Same thing. Now what happened? Now see, I'm putting minus nothing but what will get? So right to left, nothing but what? See, this will be this will what? So this is okay. This is right to left side. So see what's the expected output? So this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Nothing but what element this is? -1, -2. From here, what I want to extract? What I want to extract? 2 characters. What's the output will get? En. Got the point? Yes or no? Getting it? See one more time. So see if I put positive value, nothing but left to right. So left to right. If I put negative value, -1, -2. What's the exact output will get? Same thing, control D. -3, 2. Anybody can able to know what is -3, 2? So -1, -2, -3. So from here, 2 characters. What is the exact output? That is E. Same thing, -3, 1. What is the exact output? -1, -2, -3. From here, we'll extract E only. One more time. So sometimes what happen, I want to extract last characters. You'll see the example, you'll get clarity. So see now what happened. Now I want to extract what last character. See, select the subs here. So single quote. So see if I put, so now what happened? Now I put -3, 3. What is -3, 3? 1, 2, 3. Same thing, Control C, Control V. So -4, 3. Nothing but -1, -2, -3. Okay, so we'll get n. What will get exact output? Tell me. Exact output.
N12.
N12. N12. Okay, same thing. Now suppose if I put simply -3. What is -3? What is the exact output we'll get?
1, 2, 3.
Tell me.
Except 1, 2, 3, it will print everything.
1, 2, 3 only.
Except 1, 2, 3. No.
Only 1, 2, 3.
See now, -1, -2, -3. From here it will give all things. No, it will give only 1, 2, 3. What the point? So see. So it won't go back. It will give the same. You see? So Control V. Now if I put -4, nothing but -1, -2, -3, -4. It will be like this. Okay, so this is the function. So this is the extracting sum part. So this is so far. Now see, we'll see the use case, we'll get a little bit clarity. Okay, see. So remember, by seeing this use case, you should be in a position. This is init cap, sorting concept, filtering concept. How many tables are there? 2 tables are there. Same thing. Now what happened? Now tell me what happened. So this what is well for how many seconds? 180 seconds. How to get current time? By saying select current timestamp. To the current timestamp, I want to add 180 seconds. How to add? Just now we discuss. By saying what concept?
Date add.
Date add concept. Date add. Now see the same thing. Now what's the number we have given? I have given my number. What's the number? So this is my number. Okay, see the same thing. Now what they want? They want to extract last 4. How to extract last 4 characters? How to extract some parts by saying subs here. How to extract last 4 characters, comma, minus 4. Okay. Same thing. This is a string. So see, this is a string. Copy the same thing. So Control C, go to your Snowflake site view. So Control V. Tell me, string is a what? String we need to put in a single quote. Okay. How to club 2 strings? Tell me. Using what concepts? Using
Concat.
concat or pipe symbol. Okay, so far good. Now same thing. Now what happened? Now I want to give proper heading. How do you proper heading? By using what concept?
Column alias.
Column alias. Tell me to work. Spaces are there. How to get the spaces? Put in a double quotation for the pointer. See, if you see this use case, so substring functionality, concatenate, column alias. Now see, date add concept is available. Let me see whether it is 1 second. Hold on. Okay, see, suppose like see what happened giving OTP. Let me see the same thing. 1 second. Hold on. So you need to say what the functions are available. See. Now assume like I have logged in the application. Okay, see. Now what happened? Capital P, capital K, capital B. This is what concept?
Init cap.
Init cap. So okay, what is 6620? What is 7550? How to extract last 4 characters?
Sebastian.
And tell me. Using what concept? Using
Substring.
Sebastian. But I want to extract last 4 characters. How to extract last 4 characters?
-4.
Tell me. -4. Sebastian of ref ID, comma, -4. Now how to do proper heading by using what concept?
Column alias.
But the spaces are there. How to get the spaces?
Double quote.
Double quote. Capital P remaining, I want to make it a small case. How to make it?
Init cap.
Init cap on. No, so same thing. Let me go for one more use case. We can able to make it. Okay. Now we'll see one more time. Let me go here. So see. Okay, this is so forward. Now what happens? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. Okay, I want to get comma separated. How to get comma separated by using what concept? By using
Two
how to
char.
get comma separated by using what concept? By using so
Two
two
char of
char cons, 2 char of 9 series. Okay, see how to get tell me by using what concept? That is 2 char concept. Okay, see 2 char of what series? 9 series. Okay, so comma 9. 9 comma 9 comma 9 9. So see 9.00. Okay. How to put rupee symbol? How to remove spaces?
trim.
So see. So trim function will remove spaces. Okay. So trim function will remove spaces. How to put rupee symbols? Simply put concat.
Concat.
Simple thing. See this is the function. Okay. How to put property by using column alias. Okay, simple. Okay, so this is so far. Let me see one more example. We'll try to do the same thing. Like this only, take the application, browse it, you'll be comfortable. Okay, so remember, knowing the concept, tell me. So what is important? Knowing the concept is not important. What is important? We should know where to implement and how to implement and ultimately how you are conveying to the whom ultimately who you convey to the interviewer. Got a point. So this is the functionality. So everybody knows the concept, but what happened? You need to know implementation part. How to get implementation part? By rigorous what? Rigorous practice. So SQL nothing but it's a practice. If you do so 10 hours, you get 10 hours stuff. That's it. You simply attend, nothing will get. Okay, same thing now. What happened? You need to give answer. Let me take a screenshot. So tell me if you're using credit card or loan, what happened every month? What rate it is? They'll give they will get a statement for you. Okay. So see, got the point. So see. Now what happened? Tell me. So see what is the tell me. Now if you see the functionality, what happened? Okay, see. So this is a tell me this is what table data. Now every month we'll get what? What will get? Statement. So how are you getting the statement? So see by message. Now I want to get this message. How to get this message? Tell me. Tell me. Anyone tell me? So see. So before that, tell me. Now I want to get comma separate value. How to get comma separate value?
Two char of 9
Two
Two
char.
pair of nine series. So
Yeah.
how to get last 4 characters?
Substitute minus
The best
1.
of -4. Okay. So this is a different date format, but I want to convert into my own format. How to convert?
Two char.
Two char.
Using 2 char conversion function, we can do. So see, this is so far good. Now see, this is what this stat. Now how to make it to capital case? Upper concept. Okay, see upper. So tell me, this is static or dynamic? Up to here, this is highlighted one. Static. No. So remaining are coming from your table data. Now question is that what? How to club all these things using what concept? Concat or pipe symbol. So see, now I want to get my own record. We should go for what concept? Go for filtering concept. So this is the function. Take the application and make it working. So sub-str will work. So this is so far. Now see one more time. Let me help you one more time. So this is up there normal behavior. No worries. Okay. Now tell me what is this XX? See what is this XX? What is this XX? Tell me this is a value, huh? Tell me.
Padding.
So before that, what is this? Why we are putting XX? What is the reason?
So the are
Security
sensitive information need to be
Security
secured. Sensitive.
Tell me.
masking.
Security purpose.
Security
Masking.
Come again.
Masking security purpose.
So generally what happens, this is sensitive information. Okay, see SSN number, phone number, Aadhaar number, is a sensitive information. So we are hiding nothing, but we are masking the data. So this is called as Data masking. So why we want to mask your data? It says sensitive information. I don't want to display to the all the users. So that's why I'm trying to mask my data. So see how you're masking. So see, we are having how many records are there? Raju? So let me go here. I'll explain one more time. So create a table. So when you're working on create a table and make it working, then only can able to understand. See other table, assume it's a var so control enter. So insert into insert into so other thing. So values. So open. Now what happens? So what's the value? Tell me in database it will be XX or no? It is a some values are there. So A, B, C, D. Okay. 2, 3, F, R. Okay. Control enter. So now what happens? So they want to extract last four. How to extract last four characters? Tell me. By using what? Substr of. Tell me. Substr of. How to extract
STR.
last four characters? Comma. Last four.
-4.
-4. No, simply now we are getting confused. Simply go for -4. So put the values. Always put your value. Okay, comma -4. See it will give. So last four characters. But they want what? XX. Tell me how to club two strings. By using what? By using concatenator pipe symbol. So this is working fine. Now take the one more record. Listen carefully. Now what happened? Now see, this is one more record. A, B, C, D, E, W, 3. Okay, see, A, B, C, D, E. So W, W, 2, 3. Okay, see, W, W. Okay, one more record. Okay. Now copy the same thing. Now execute. Tell me it's correct? Correct? Tell me it's correct? Tell me it's correct? So how many X's should come to the second record? Tell me. So we should get how many X's? 5 X's. But how many X's came? 4 only, no? See? 4 only, no? 4.
It's not
Now what
correct.
happened? It's not correct. So see, if you have 10 compulsory, suppose what happened? Let me insert bigger value. Okay. Now suppose like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now now expectation is that what we want to get this many X's, but this is not correct. Now I want to make it dynamically. Now what's the concept will come in picture? Anyone? What's the concept? Anyone?
Length.
Padding concept will be coming into picture. Padding, L pad and R pad concept. So see, there are so many things are there. We can't able to discuss all things. We'll see high level thing. L pad and R pad. See, this is also simple. See, select L pad. So bracket open, bracket close. So see, Praveen. Okay. Now we should say what exactly happening. Anybody can tell me what exactly happened here? Anyone? Anybody can able to convey what is exactly happened? So what is length of Praveen? So length of Praveen is what? It's a,
7.
so what? 7. So see, this is a string. Now total length expected is what? I want to get 10 digit character. So 10 minus 7 is what? 3. Now, so L is nothing but left side padding. Suppose we're not able to understand. Select L pad of, so Praveen. Now I want to get 8 comma X. Now total Praveen length is what? Praveen length is 7. So, but I want to get what? Expected length is what? Expected length is 8. But how
8.
many we are getting? Only 7. So 8 minus 7 is what? Okay, so 1 X will be padded to the left side. Suppose if I put R pad, R will be now where it will get padded. What is the exact output? Exact
Praveen
output.
X.
So see, that is Praveen X will get. Okay, see, Praveen X will got a point of the function. Got a point. We'll see the same thing. So I'll try to explain one more time. So L padding. So see, this is a static won't work. We need to go for dynamic. Okay. So control C, I'll try to make it the dynamic. Okay. So control V, take first record. Okay. See, go for where val equal to, this is the functional, only one record. Okay. So let me go to substr. So lpad. What's lpad syntax? Tell me. lpad. Okay. Now what's how to get how to extract last four characters? See, last four is what? 2, 3, fr. Okay. So 2, 3, fr. What is the total length? Total length is what? 4, 4, 8. So 8 comma x. We'll make it dynamic. First we go for static character. It is working fine. Okay. The same thing copy. Take one more thing. Okay. Let me exclude the same thing. Take one more record. See now how to extract last four. So ww23, ww23. What is total length? Total length. How you're getting? So see length of okay. val. Okay. What is total length? Say 9. Okay. So this is so far good. Now tell me it's a static or dynamic? Anyone? Static or dynamic? It's a static. Static. Now we'll make it a dynamic. Now what is 9 or what is 8? Anyone? How are you rating 9 or 8? This is a
Expected.
what is 9 or 8?
Length of a string.
Length of a string. How to find length of a string? Put
Length.
length of val. Okay. So see, this is working fine. So far good. Now how we're getting this? So see, now this remove this thing. Now what happened now? How we are getting this ww3? What is ww3? We're extracting last four characters. How to extract last four characters? By what?
Substr minus 4.
Substr of -4. Substr of val comma -4. So this is the functionality. So same way. Let me make it a dynamic. We'll get it done. So see, let me put so val. Okay. So like this only we'll try to do testing. Okay. Now what happened? Let me so make this of how to extract makes of lpad concept. So lpad how to extract last four substr of val comma -4. How to get the length? So length of val. If length is not matching, pad with x. Okay. So clear so far? So see, this is we are getting. Now question is that what? Tell me, is it correct or not? Our logic. Tell me. Tell me, our logic is correct or not? Tell me. Tell
It's
me.
correct.
So see, there are so many cards are there. Tell me, can you check each and every card manually? Yeah. Simple thing, tell me. So you are saying it's correct, but what happened? Tell me. Can you go to each and every record and check? So we should do what? So remember one point. After developing any code, after developing one line of code, 100 lines of code, what happened? So we want to do some testing. The testing is called as unit testing. So what is unit testing? We need to make sure that our code is working fine or not. Okay, so this is the functionality. So see now what happened now, how to make it working fine or not? Tell me, anyone, any guess? See, let me find the length of length. So length of VL. Okay, see length of VL. So bracket open, bracket open. Now see what happened. So see both are same. Now this is fine. Now take the same thing. So now I'll put so where length of VAL equal to so length of what length I should put? Length of your code logic. Tell me if both is same. Our logic is correct or not? Anyone, any guess? If both lengths are matching, see what happened. So both lengths are matching. Suppose if lengths are not matching, nothing but what? Our logic is wrong logic. So this is called as unit testing. So make sure like your code is working fine or not. Suppose same thing now what happened? Tell me. So now I want to extract last three remaining. I want to make it to XX. How to make it? Tell me. I want to, so see now what happened, now reverse vice versa, sorry. Now what happened, now requirement is that what, now I want to get ABC remaining access. ABC remaining access. How to make it? Anyone tell me? Now we should go for LPAD or RPAD?
RPAD.
RPAD. RPAD of, tell me. So see, we should, how to extract first three characters, VL, comma, tell me, only first three characters. How to extract first three characters, tell me.
1,3.
1,3.
1, comma 3. So first three characters. How to find the length of the string?
Length of value.
See, length, okay, see, how to find, tell me.
Length of value.
See, comma, length of LN also it will work, length of VAL, where, okay. So, comma, if it's not working, make it to X, correct? So, put one more bracket, okay. Correct? So, not wrong. So,
Length. LEN.
bracket open. Semicolon next, semicolon. So length, so in Snowflake, no LNGH or LN, it will work fine. How to make sure your code is working fine or not? Tell me how to make sure the code is working fine or not.
We need to do unit testing.
So we do unit testing. So who will do unit testing? Which guy? Developer or testing? Do unit testing? Which guy?
Developer.
Only developer. So developer we need to do the unit testing. That's what the functionality for the pointer. So this time concept. Any anyone? So this is the functionality. So like this only we should do any type of testing. Okay, so develop the things and make it working. So remember, we'll discuss one thing. So you should be in a position to do others. See, if we discuss A, we should work on AA. We should work on AB. So like this only, if you do whatever discuss, if you do know, nothing will get. No, you need to do extra thing also. You need to make it working. Okay, so this is the concept of the same. Okay, so same. So try to make it work. Now what happened? Now what happened? Now I want to remove hyphens. How to remove hyphens? How to remove hyphens?
Replace.
Using the replace answer, we can able to make it work. So far. Same thing now what happened? So Praveen is there. Now how many are there? Tell me how many are there here? How many number of is?
2.
2. So by using SQL, I want to get. How to get by using what concept? Tell me. We're having concept of regexp. So regexp count is there. So regexp count. So put Praveen. So make it to E. Now how many are there? How many are there?
2.
So 2. So we'll get the same thing. Suppose same thing. Let me make it to small a. Now how many will get? We'll get 2 or 3. We'll get 2 or 3 or 4.
2.
2.
Tell me. We get
2.
2 because data in the database is case sensitive. Now how to get 4? I want, if it is small case or lower case, I want to get the same thing. Now how to get?
Upper.
Tell me. Tell me. So we need to convert our code into uppercase or lowercase. See, upper. So it will give 4 things. Okay, so this is the concept of regexp. Same thing, Praveen is there. Okay. Now what happened? Tell me what's the position of A? A is at which position?
Third.
So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is at which position? So now I want to find the position. How to find? Regexp in string is there. So in string. So Praveen. Now what happened? Now I want to find the position of A. A is at which position?
Third.
Tell me. A is at which position? At the third position. Same thing. Now what happened? Now I want to get E position. E is at which position? Is at which position? 5th position. But what happened now? I want to get second occurrence. How to get second occurrence? Anyone? So we should go for extra argument. See 1, 1. So what is 1, 1? Anyone?
Here we have two E so that it will point to first E.
Okay, see first one nothing but starting from first. This is the first occurrence. So 1 is a first occurrence. So copy the same thing. So see now I want to get 1, 2. What is 1, 2? So if you use second occurrence.
Second
Okay.
occurrence.
Same thing. Any third occurrence is there? It is give
No.
0. Okay. So see, so regexp in string. If you want to find the position, we should go for what? Go for regexp in string concept. If I want to replace, if I want to find, go for regexp count. Now tell me they want to extract last 4 characters. How to extract last 4 characters?
Sebastian.
Subester. How to put proper heading?
Column alias.
Column alias. How to get spaces also? I want to get the same spaces. How to get the spaces?
2 char.
Put inside. No, spaces.
We can put in
Interesting.
quotations, single
Not
quotation.
single quotes, not single quotation. Double quotes. No.
Yeah, double quotation.
Double quotes. Okay, so that's fine. Before they tell me it's a so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a number or string. Anyone? Any get it? Any guess? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number. Anyone?
Number.
Number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Space 1, 2, 3, 4. Space 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me it work. It won't work. This is not a number. No, it's a space. No. Space is nothing but it's a string. So string, not a number. Okay. For the pointer. So there's so many things are there. So depends on the use case. We'll see going forward. So these are the string functions, number functions. Suppose see what happened. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Tell me in India after decimal how many digits are accepted? Tell me
2.
in India. Okay, how many digits are accepted after decimal? We want to accept only. How many is only? 2, no, 2. How to get only 2? We should go for what concept? Go for around functionality. Okay, see the same thing. So control C. Now what happened? Now what's the exact output? Anybody can able to tell exact output? Exact output. Anyone? 1, 2, 3, 4.
0.12.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, we don't get decimals. No decimals will be there. Okay, when I put comma 1, nothing but what? After decimal, we should extract 1 character. Same thing, comma 2. What's the exact output? Tell me. Tell me.
0.12.
0.12. Okay, same thing. That's perfect. Suppose same thing now. What happened? 1, 2, 5, 4. Okay, comma 2. What's the exact output? Tell me. Anyone?
0.13.
513.
It is less than greater than 5.
See, greater than 5. So see the same thing. So this is important. See what happened. Now we're getting exact output is what? What's the output? See, let me put. Now what's the output we're getting? So 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 1, 1, 3. Why 1, 3? Because now what happened? So we want what? After decimal, I want to extract check 2 characters. But what happened? It will check for the next digit also. Next digit is greater than or equal to 5. Now what happened? So plus 1 will be added. I'll explain one more time. Confusing. Now see what happened. Copy the same thing. So put. Now what happened? Tell me after decimal how many are expected? Tell me. After decimal how many are expected?
2.
2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. 1, 2 we getting. But what happened? Tell me. But what happened? 1, 2 only came. Copy the same thing. So control V. Now what happened? See, now I am putting 5, 4. Now what's output will get? Tell me what's output will get?
1, 3.
Now tell me.
0.13.
5, 1, 3 because after decimal we want to extract 2 characters. Then what happened? 1 second, give me, please. Now see what happened. So see after decimal, what happened now? How many are expected? Tell me. So see after decimal, we want to get so 2 days 1 2. But what happened? See, it is greater than or equal to 5, nothing but plus 1. 1 2 plus nothing but 1 3 will get not a point. So see after decimal, if I want to extract one character, see we can put comma 1. This is the functionality, round function. So day to day, we'll see the same thing. We'll see one more time. Let me go to them. So Mintra application. Okay. Now what happened? Now I want to purchase a shirt. Okay. Now let me go to shirt. Nothing but what's a filtering concept. Now tell me, see capital T, capital I, capital G. How we are getting
Init cap.
init cap concept. So in my database, something is there, but I want to like this go for 2 characters. Before that, I want to put rupee symbol. Output rupee symbol.
Concat.
Using what? Using concat concept. So concat concept. See, there are so many campus sutras, but I'm getting only one thing. How to get? Only get
Distinct.
only distinct keyword. How to get range of values?
Between.
So between concept will come into picture. Got the point? That's the functionality. Got the point? So 1 second, give me please. So this is the functionality. So takes a browse column alias string function concatenate date add concept. So browse as many application as you want. So Zepto, Zomato, Swiggy, anything now tell me data will be coming from where? Coming from
Table.
where? On the fly, yeah? No. Data should be coming from the table itself. Table has got columns and rows. It can be Oracle database, SQL server, or anything on the point. Okay, getting the point. So far good. Okay. End out sign one. So this is the functionality. Clear so far? End out sign one. So you need to work like this.